welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia has this to say. You have to go ahead and listen to what she has to say. And remember, like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday, and I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this new year. For all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, I wish you a wonderful day.
Let me see a portfolio of them. How many times them and them man go spend time together? Not even a little Ross hotel and can go and go eat one little breakfast. Go pay $130 for one Sunday. You don't have to stay into a hotel to go down at them breakfast counter, go have them continental breakfast and eat a good nice breakfast if you want American style, you know. How much you can't walk in your house, dress up and go have a nice breakfast in one nice hotel. You don't have to be a guest at the hotel, you know. To walk in them establishment, you know, and go eat, you know. You tell me now, if you want your reality, show me one bloggers in this circulation where we in. Show me which one of them will sit down and say them have husband and relationship. Show me one of them that does any activities on a weekly basis, like for me and my man. Show me. Tell me. Tell me. And how much of them go out with them, man? Show me. Me want to see. I hear them with them, man. Even when they see them on social media with them, man, them don't even look rass happy. They don't even look happy at all. I think you should do yourself a favor and stop texts before you have to get black over here. Can nobody now cover my page come disrespect me? And nobody now cover my page come cross-side me. This is my page. This is called the reality show of Marcia Life. Nobody's supposed to come over here, come tell me what to say, or how to act, or what not to act. That is simple as that. I am the celebrity here. You don't come to watch me. And me are the star. You don't come to watch me. You not supposed to come over here, come talk to this person who entertain you know, on a daily basis. Don't come over here, come blood clot contradict me. Don't do it. Because you not support me. I want to see one gone over the page gone ridicule me. You not even buy one bomber cloth sheet. Nor a quilt. So me no want to come over here, come go like so, no want to come sidetrack me and tell me what for Ross do on my page and what not to say. If you're not contributing nothing, not even a fucking star or not show up on here. Not even a little more emoji you know want to fling. But you know want to come over and write you know bomber clot, pussy clot, Ross clot opinions. And when other people have bash out me bomber clot on Facebook, you're not saying one shit. You not allow them to persecute me and say all kind of fucking shit. But when me come by my page, you don't want to come tell me what for bomber clot chat. I know if I conduct myself. Where that fuck now work? Because every day, when I sit down on all kind of social media page, we're up in the thousands and go over there and listen to them talk about me and my fucking man, what them know nothing about. What them don't know nothing about. I say all kind of stuff about him. I want to go over there and kill him no bomber clot teeth. For people who live better than you, no bomber clot and happier than you. Who do not have nothing to say, but when me come by my page, you know want to come over here and override me. And this is a bomber clot general conversations. This not only go for because you say so. Or what? This is a general conversation to the blood clot public. Me sick and tired of it. You don't always want to come over here to come disrespect me or if you say something. But no. You do not go over there the page and we have headline disrespecting me on a daily basis. Calling me all kind of bomber clot names. And talking shit. I'm an ears all. Where them can't even rascal live like me. and look like me. As ugly as me bumbo clot is, them can't look like me. They could have shape of this and that. Them bumbo clot can't live like me. They will never catch me. Never. And when they win the lotto, they can never catch my ears of the way I treat myself. Never. Never. Go over there, go tell them, say, no, leave Marcia alone. Not one blood clot, 1 and 2. Somebody me say, leave the woman alone. Out of 400 comments, 1, you will see the way on the ass clot tan bad. 1, you will see. Right, I say, leave the girl alone. Go over there, go kick, and chat fuck your people years old. Like say tree are growing on my bumbo cloud face. Like say, only one man call to me on a daily basis. That is the problem. Always disrespecting me, coming over my page, trying to control. Always I come over here. Me are the only smarty. Other pages and not do it. Wanna sit down there for 4 bumbo clad years. Years on top of years. Months on top of months. Days on top of days and weeks. All when me not answer them. Over there said we are support the bumbo clad poor, non-emancipated blood clot Negroes them over there. Over there support them. And make them over there talk all kind of fuckery. About me. I'm a man. What them don't know nothing about. Because if them did the right side, I'm gonna chat the fuckery, their bumbo clot teeth fly go east, west, north, and south. So them only a chat shit at me years old. And them let me just sick and tired of it. Whenever we come by my page, me not free to do whatever. Always somebody to make a references. And when you go up on the haters them page, nah, and take a look at me and take a look at them. Them bumbo clot can't look like them and have no filter. As much as they come out here and talk about me a 60-year-old and me a 70, them bumbo clot can't look like me. Not even them blood clot picnic can't look like me. Me not ask you. Me sick and tired of it. Sick and tired of it. Fucking sick and tired of it. Squeeze a button after me, huh? I take my fingernail. Try to press this down. Make it stop blink. Out of order. Losing supporter. Lose what kind of supporter? What you go about your business here? About me losing supporter. What the bomber class supporters are do for me? Eh? The supporters not done for me. Me not lose a supporter because supporter not pay my bills. So anybody walk off of my Ross page, you come off too. You take your bumbo clot off of my pussy clot Ross clot page. You are one supporter supposed to go. Since you're gonna tell me say me a lose supporter, what kind of bumbo clot supporters me I use? I hardly use Facebook. Facebook I pay me shit. A free blood clot advertisement this me I give. A YouTube pay me. I mean make enough money for Ross clot YouTube. A freeness me I give for Facebook right now because I don't monetize over Facebook. So what kind of fucking supporters me I use? The money that me make for social media can't pay for YouTube, can't pay bumbo clot rent. So don't tell me about me I lose no raw supporter. Take a look again. Take a raw clot look again. But you if you take your bumbo clot and lose you. But that because me I disrespect the body. Uno two bumbo clot fast. Always a fast that people fucking dick. Go find no one a bumbo clot man. And that me forgot do. Go and find a man, whether people man or people husband. Go and find a man who own a rass business. And that me forgot do. I come out of mine. Wherever me want to say hi to man, I tell man hello or goodbye or whatever it is. Go and find no one a rass man. And start mind Marcia business. Because I don't want to fuck me. So I'm not supposed to wonder if me whatever man me I take her if me I take blood clot woman. I mean I take no woman. So you don't compare because you want fucking shit to me. You understand? As long as I'm from a rass man dick me I take, don't worry about it. If me want to ask him if him work good today or if him work bad. Don't ask me why nothing. I mean, alright, me no stress. I mean, I have the problem with it, but me sick and tired of it. Every time I come on my page, you know what, you know, come up here with, with ridiculousness. If you don't have nothing fucking good to say, don't say it. Because I see the whole heap of criticism and the whole heap of fuck you on our chat every day. I don't want anybody to come say, oh, Marcia feels stressed and maybe she and her man have a problem. Man have no problem. I went out last time, a good time, I go pick him up from work. And Una piss me off because I'm sick and tired of it. I can never come on my page and chat without somebody to come with a bullshit argument without even watching the video to see if I acknowledge him or not. But the two bomber clad fast, go find no one a man. That's what I do. Go and find no one a man. When they on social media, listen to all the people, the non-relevant people, when them look at small fries, Erin Sprat, and them look at dark shit there when them up on social media. When over there put up whole heap of likes, when them sit down and talk about me, and man, and this, and who want me, and who don't want me, and who do that, and who do that, that them can't look for me. Look for the fucking ugly woman there in Jamaica. Look for she, with her head full of lice, with a long piece of rasta head come down in her back where well want wash. Probably she not even can't afford that fucking shampoo for wash, look a dirty head. She come and talk about people. I put up big headline. Disgrace. Disgrace? Because my man dick turn up for me. Where me what kind of disgrace? Because my man want to come off alive and come give him some pussy. When not see me for almost 5 days, 1 week. Then what kind of rash disgrace that? If him don't see me for 5-6 days and him want me, what kind of rash disgrace for that? What kind of disgrace is that? If my man I tell me say me to come and me say me not ready yet. What kind of disgrace is that? What kind of fucking disgrace is that? My man not see me for 5 days. And him want me. And me I joke up with him and say leave me alone or what, but me not ready. Me not ready. Me never ready for make no love, because me never go be here yet. Me never go in there, but him know me already, you know. I have to take shower and clean myself. Whether me go to the road or not, him know me already. Him have to go wait. You understand? Him know that already. Him know so me have to go bathe and do all of that. Once me dey on the road and me come in or whatever, me have to go bathe because me can't go lie down with man and me dey on the road for much hours. And man have to go kiss up breasts and kiss up arc and that. How comes that is disgraceful? How the bomber clock wanna reach here? How wanna reach here? How that disgraceful? Where you call the reality show of Marcia life? How is it disgraceful? Me is a disgrace to the internet. Fuck off! And because they don't have no man, because no strong red false dildo and now no bomber clock crutch. Or they don't have no man. That is the reason why. Well, me an independent woman. Me take out myself and me care out myself. That is it. I mean not tell you to get to a walk foot man or get to a man when I drive and go get to a homeless man I want to call people would not out of themselves. Nobody not tell you to get to a man to make one happy. But no, disgrace. Disgrace talk about sex and a blood clot pitney. No pitney supposed to be on my page. Me have 52 February. What kind of disgrace for have a little joke? Why is it you can't? Why? Because you are not my supporter. The haters them and the bloggers them we are chat shit. You are not my supporters. All my supporters them can come laugh and even involved. But violate them and the whole of them. How is it that me come on social media all these years talking about you want something from the supermarket? Yeah. Okay. How is it that my supporters, they me a big woman, and me, I don't know me love sex argument. How is that a disgrace? She's a big disgrace. She fi come off of the internet. Come off of what kind of bomb clot internet? I will not pay my bills. How that a disgrace? For my man say want me. Huh? Let me see what time is it. It's not close. Huh? How is that? Huh? How is that? A food me go buy. Yeah, them have food, but they gonna serve it. Them gonna serve it. Yeah. No, them probably get people upset. They want people to live unhappy like them. Very unhappy. Very unhappy. Some of these bloggers with them look a chink over YouTube. They need to come off. I'm getting some dinner. I'm getting some tripe and bean. Yeah, some tripe and bean I get for dinner and piece of chicken. Because I never eat nothing else. Can't care that go back tomorrow. Bumbo clot fast. And I talk about the man that want me. Look at a beautiful Ross girl like me. Where me say the man that want me? Eh? Look at my perfect lips. I love my cold sore right now. Look at my cheekbone. Where me say man the Ross man that want me? Then I wish man could have refused a good virgin pussy. Eh? I want picnic come out of this Ross and a man now frig me left, right and center. Then I wish man could have want a good tight pussy. You think that my pussy open up like a tunnel? Huh? Then I wish man would want me. What you mean? You think the man never put the crocus bag over my head? When them are there with me? My skin is smooth and nice and soft. Breast them nice and pretty. Whether them long or blood clot not. Bright and out order. Go look under your foot and see if you don't see your pussy tongue big and I look down. Go and look under your foot and look and see if you don't see one big pussy tongue, big like a hog. One. What about that? I don't busy my boyfriend and get upset. I never told me. I never told me. Right. Huh? Bright and out order.